the performance.
What a mesmerizing performance it was, Sanjeevni.
Ever tried soaking up the sun and feeling the sand between your toes?
Totally. Imagine basking in the sunlight with the sound of rhythmic waves around you.
It's a call to connect with nature, release worries, and embrace life's pleasures.
Whether at a beach or not, it transcends physical settings, urging appreciation for simple joys.
Exactly. You should take a break, breathe in fresh air, and let the soothing touch of sand remind you of life's beauty.
The culture of any country represents its beliefs, values, social structure, religious sentiments, and core philosophy.
So, here we have our tiny torch from Monty I with a dance, which is going to take you back to Goa.
A mesmerizing dance performance performed by Little Champs. It's time to anchor the sports dance on the exhilarating thought of gymnastics.
The dancers have taken us on a remarkable journey of grace, strength, and agility. And now it's our turn to celebrate their incredible talent.
Gymnastics, with its daring flips, incredible balance, and captivating routine, has always been a source of inspiration. Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I am Memuna. And here we witness these dancers fuse the beauty of dance with the artistry in gymnastics to create a visually stunning performance. Here we have sports dance